Have you ever tried capturing a perfect moment on your phone, but ended up with shaky, blurry footage that looks terrible? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if you could carry a Hollywood-level stabilizer right in your pocket? Well, that's exactly what the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is promising. And it's already becoming one of the most talked about compact cameras of 2026. When the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 launched, it quickly became a favorite among creators. It packed a large sensor, incredible stabilization, and that signature rotating screen, all in a tiny body. Now with the Pocket 4, DJI isn't reinventing the wheel. They're refining it, making it smoother, faster, and way more practical for real-world use. After months of leaks and rumors, DJI finally made it official. The Pocket 4 launches in China on March 26, 2026, with a global release expected shortly after in April. And this launch sends a clear message: the Pocket Gimbal category is stronger than ever. One of the coolest upgrades is the detachable LED light module. Before, you needed extra gear for low-light shots. Now, just snap it on, and keep filming. For vloggers and indoor creators, this is a game-changer. Another big improvement is physical zoom controls. No more tapping the screen mid-shot. You now get a dedicated button, making filming smoother and more natural. Of course, DJI keeps its legendary 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Walking, running, even jumping, your footage stays buttery smooth. Plus, the rotating touchscreen returns, letting you switch between vertical and horizontal instantly. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram creators. Battery life also gets a boost. A larger battery means longer shooting sessions, a huge win for travelers and daily vloggers. So how does it compare to the Pocket 3? The Pocket 3 was already great, but the Pocket 4 makes everything easier: better controls, more flexibility, more professional feel, and yes, competition is heating up. Devices like the Insta360 Luna are entering the space. But DJI still leads thanks to its powerful mix of hardware and software. Here's the bottom line: the Pocket 4 proves that dedicated cameras still beat smartphones for serious content creation. It's compact, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. If you want professional quality video without carrying heavy gear, this might be the perfect camera for you in 2026.